What's the story on this car? Can you order them? Did you? Are there a certain number that you get like this?
Yeah,
or
yeah.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. They built just over 50 of these, and I think 34 of them were supercharged. The rest of them were 426 naturally aspirated, but they're no VIN. They're numbered, but they're no VIN number car, not street legal.
Right. What year did they offer these?
So 2009 was the first year, and then 2009, and this is a 15, and they did again in 2021.
So how many of these are there, you think?
It's 54 and 15, 50 or 60, and I think there's 60 in 2009, and then there's only 50 in 21.
Okay.
Not a whole lot of them.
No, there's not. So what you see here is pretty much what you got from the factory?
Pretty close, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hadn't changed a whole lot of it.
Even the interior? Wow, okay. You happy with how they made them? Happy with what they did?
It is. It's a good car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good car. Yeah, 15s were a pretty good model, you know, as far as the chassis and suspension, all that's pretty good.
And this one's a 15, correct? Yeah.
Yeah. The 21 suspension geometry is a little worse than the 15s were. They tried to make them better, but it wasn't.
Okay.
So, but it is pretty decent. You know, they got more power than this one did.
Yeah.
Which I upgraded to the 21 blower, and it runs a whole lot better.
Okay. Yeah, you don't see many of them, obviously.
No, you don't. Not that many of them.
Yeah. All right.
In one place, anyways.
Correct. All righty. Well, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.